Hello, and let's create an order from a quote in Kugamon with Myko.ai. If you want to follow along, make sure you're logged into your own org. And from the home page, let's click into the app launcher near the top left side of your screen. And then in the search, let's just start to type Myko and then click to open Myko.ai. Now, before we ask Myko.ai anything, you do need to make sure that you have an example quote that has line items and has a record status of closed 1. Once you have that, we are ready to build upon it. If you've been watching the other videos in this series, then we're good to go. We're going to pick things up where we left off. But if you're just freshly watching this, you will just need to pause this video, create that example quote, and then continue with us. So within the Ask Anything section, we're going to ask Myko to create an order for your particular account and that name of your quote. So in my case, I want Myko.ai to create an order for Starbucks, and I know the name of my quote is initial sales. So you could use the format of my question here and just swap out Starbucks for the name of your account and swap out initial sales for the name of your quote. When you're ready, let's click on the send button. Okay, so it's asking me to confirm that this is the correct quote. And it is, because this is the quote name, initial sale. So if it asks you the same thing, then let's together just say yes. All right, and let's review what Myko.ai shares with us. So it's creating a new order from this quote ending in 025. All the key contacts are correct. And the order date is just going to be today's date. And the line items are essentially going to mirror the same ones that I have on the quote. So essentially just review everything that you see summarized on your end. And if it looks good, let's click on Save to Salesforce together. All right. So it's showing us all of these records, but let's just click to open the first one in a new tab. And this is going to be our new order record. Now on our order record, we want to make sure that the order name is consistent with our quote name. In my case, mine is called initial sale. So it's keeping that name consistent. And this is the first order that I am creating tied to this initial sale opportunity. And in that case, this particular order will be designated as the primary order, which means that the product and service line items on this order and the quote will sync back to the opportunity. We'll take a look at that later. But essentially just scan your order record. And if everything looks good, let's check out the order PDF. Let's locate and click into the Create PDF button near the top right side of your screen. And then locate line items. And you should see the line items that you had on your quote. In my case, I only had 2. And I had made the start dates of those line items the 1st of next month. It's currently July as I'm recording this video, so the correct dates is indeed August 1st. And this is just picking things up from where we left off in previous videos in this same series. So if you've been following along and you've been mirroring the same examples, you should essentially see similar things on your order. Okay, but let's go back. And let's click into the initial sale opportunity. Just open that in a new tab. Now on the opportunity record, I just want to point out that the amount isn't 0. And that's because these product lines have synced from the quote and the order back to the opportunity lines. So that's really the beauty of using Myko AI to support your entire sales process is you have clean data all around. But do you want to learn more? Take a look at the helpful video tutorial below.